At the heart of making savvy financial decisions lies a concept often overlooked by the everyday investor and spender alike: the time value of money, TVM. This principle suggests that a dollar in hand today is worth more than one promised in the future, due to its potential earning capacity. It's not just about recognizing that money can grow over time through investments. It's an acknowledgement that every day counts when it comes to your financial health. Understanding TVM transforms how we view money, shifting our perspective from seeing it as a static resource to recognizing its dynamic potential. Whether you're contemplating an investment, considering a loan, or saving for future expenses, integrating the time value into your decision-making process can profoundly impact your financial journey's outcome. By wrapping our minds around this concept, we transition from passive savers or borrowers to active architects of our fiscal futures. This video aims to peel back layers of complexity surrounding TVM and lay bare its indispensable role in personal finance management. Through real-world applications and crystal-clear explanations, prepare to embark on a journey into the very fabric of financial reasoning, where understanding pays off literally and figuratively. Let us unlock these concepts together and unfold how placing time alongside money on your scale of considerations elevates decision-making from mere guesswork to informed strategy. Maximizing returns, investment decisions, and time value dynamics. Understanding the time value of money is paramount when navigating the complexities of investment decisions. In essence, it allows investors to estimate the present worth of future cash flows, an invaluable tool for comparing diverse investment opportunities. This principle hinges on the premise that a dollar today holds more value than a dollar tomorrow, due to its potential earning capacity. By employing present value calculations, investors dissect prospective projects or financial vehicles to discern those with the most lucrative future returns in today's terms. Such scrutiny ensures capital is allocated efficiently, favoring investments that promise optimal growth or income over time relative to their inherent risks. Shifting focus towards loan amortization reveals another practical application of time value concepts, underscoring its role in personal finance management. Amortization schedules offer a crystalline view of how interest rates affect both monthly payments and total repayment amounts across different timelines. These schedules break down each payment into principal and interest components, showing borrowers explicitly how early repayments can compress the cost curve by cutting down interest expenses, a direct consequence of understanding and leveraging the temporal aspect of money's worth. For bearers of loans from mortgages to auto financing, mastering this aspect can unlock significant savings and foster smarter debt strategies by manipulating payback periods adeptly within one's financial planning matrix. Maximizing returns, a practical application of TVM. Imagine you have $10,000 to invest, and you're contemplating between two options: a bond that offers a 5% annual interest rate, compounded annually, versus a high-yield savings account with a 3% annual return. Let's break down what your investment would look like in both scenarios over 5 years, utilizing the time value of money principles. For the bond investment at 5%, using the future value FV formula FVX PVX 1 plus RN, where PV is the present value, $10,000, R is the interest rate, 0.05, and N is the number of years, 5. We get FV X $10,000 X, 1 plus 3.05, 5, 12, 762.82. This means your initial investment grows to approximately 12,762 after 5 years thanks to compound interest. Conversely, placing your money in a savings account with an annual yield of 3%, following the same formula, yields FV X $10,000 X, 1 plus 3.03, 5, $11, 592.74, significantly less than what you'd earn through bonds by about 11.7008, more or less, demonstrating how even slight variations in rates can significantly impact your potential earnings over time due to compounding effect. The discernment not only rests on spotting higher returns, but also illustrates how pivotal understanding and applying TVM calculations can be when strategizing financial growth. When it comes to understanding the profound impact of the time value of money, nothing illustrates this concept better than comparing scenarios with differing interest rates. Imagine two individuals, Alex and Jordan, each deciding to invest $5,000 for 10 years. Alex opts for a safer investment with an annual interest rate of 3%, while Jordan ventures into a riskier asset that offers a 6% annual return. Initially, their choices seem inconsequential over short durations. However, as time unfolds, the divergence in their outcomes becomes markedly significant. Over a decade, Alex's investment grows modestly due to compound interest. Her final sum reaches approximately $6,744. By contrast, Jordan's willingness to embrace higher risk rewards him substantially more, with his investment ballooning to about 8,954. This striking difference not only underscores how varied interest rates can dramatically influence long-term gains, but also serves as a potent illustration of why considering time in financial decision-making is paramount. The scenario vividly captures how seemingly small differences in percentage points can compound into large disparities over extended periods, underscoring the gravity of scrutinizing options through the lens of future valuation, rather than immediate appeals or impulses. Understanding the concept of the time value of money, TVM, is akin to unlocking a secret level in financial decision-making. It offers an elevated perspective that not only clarifies present monetary choices, but also illuminates pathways towards future fiscal health. This core principle underpins various financial activities, guiding individuals through the complexities of investing, saving, and borrowing with precision. In essence, recognizing that a dollar today holds more value than one tomorrow empowers strategic planning. It nudges investors towards avenues that promise fruitful yields and savers towards schemes ensuring their hard-earned money does not erode over time due to inflation or other economic shifts. For borrowers, it makes clear the wisdom in selecting terms that minimize cost while maximizing benefits over time. Leveraging TVM effectively means every financial decision is made with an eye on both current utility and future impact, ensuring each step taken now leads toward stronger financial standing later. Furthermore, applying TVM principles goes beyond personal finance. Businesses utilize these insights for project evaluations and capital budgeting decisions. By calculating net present values or internal rates of return, organizations can discern which projects will add tangible worth over their lifespans, aligning long-term strategic goals with immediate investment decisions. Thus, developing a deep understanding and application of time valuation equips one with a formidable toolset for navigating life's myriad financial waters, one where informed decisions forge paths toward prosperity rather than endanger stability.